Hey strangers, it's Nick with the Decampers, and yes, we're still alive, we're still around, and we are kicking butt, getting ready for an upcoming camp trip, organizing our trailer. So yeah, we have, as you guys know, we've been busy remodeling in our house and working and everything else, and so we just have not gone camping in, I feel like, 2 months. I'm not sure on that, but something like that. And we've been staying in the RV at our house while we remodel, so the RV has just become lived in. So we've been going around cleaning today, organizing, purging, just going through every cabinet, scrubbing everything, cleaning everything, and just preparing for a camp trip that we're having next weekend with our friends Lindsay and James. And I am like kind of out of breath and sweaty because we're just like working our butts off so hard. Wait till you see what David's doing. David.
Hey guys.
What you do?
Oh, I'm in here cleaning this bathroom. I want it to look really good for this this camp trip, so that's what I'm in here doing, making sure the bathroom looks good.
Got a glass of wine.
Got a glass of wine with me.
That always helps.
You know, cleaning always is a little bit better with a glass of wine, but too many can, of course, cause you to stop cleaning, so you got to be careful with that. But yeah, so we're really excited about this camp trip, and we got a new toy coming in. So
don't spill the beans yet.
We're not going to spill the beans yet, but we are definitely going to be making a pretty...
We have a major new camping accessory coming in, like major.
Yeah, not just something from Amazon. So we're
not something from Camper World. In fact, it's not even. It doesn't even go to the RV. It's a camping accessory.
Yeah. So we're excited about that coming and making a video on that, and I hope you guys tune in for that.
So we had like a really fun moment today. We decided we didn't want to spend time cooking dinner, so we decided to go out to a little local restaurant here in our little town. And we're eating, and all of a sudden somebody comes up and we hear someone go, "Decampers!" And so it's our first time ever having one of our viewers and subscribers kind of run into us out in public. So that was really fun. It's Vicky from Choteau, Oklahoma. And she is just as nice, if not nicer, in person than she is on all the comments and everything and likes that she gives us on our YouTube channel. So that was like quite a treat. So shout out to Vicky. Vicky, thank you for coming by our table and saying hello. That was like a nice little treat. And it was really great meeting you. And so we told Vicky we're going to give her a shout out and that we promised her an upcoming video. And told her we'd also have one coming up, that we are finally going camping again soon. So, hi Vicky. So this is kind of what it's looking like in here right now. Dogs wrestling all crazy. Stack of new party lights. Just some stuff still on the counter and the dinette that we have to go through and organize. But we're well on our way. I think my next project is I have to, right over there, go through the pantry. I got some new shelving to put in there too. I'm pretty excited about. So yeah, David's still in there detailing out the bathroom. And the boys, this is like what they do. The bigger one is the daddy, that's Monkey, and the little one's Barry, and they're father and son. So it's really surprising that Monkey still plays so much like a big puppy. It's great. But if you're ever outside of our trailer on our campsite and it sounds like thunder, it's because these two are in here wrestling and having a good time while we're trying to clean. And the bigger one, Monkey, he's so funny. If you're vacuuming and you're using a vacuum handle, he comes up and wants you to vacuum on him. He won't even let you continue until he gets vacuumed. Look how crazy they are. Monkey, you want to go camping? want to go camping? Monkey wants to go camping. We're going to go camping next weekend, Monkey. We're going to see Lindsay and James, Monkey. And they got a new puppy, a new baby Yorkie. So you want to go camping? Barry wants to go camping. Monkey want to go camping? Barry want to go camping? You want to go camping? So yeah, we're going camping, like I keep saying, because we're just so excited about it. We are getting together with Lindsay and James. Lindsay is a friend of mine. We've been friends since, gosh, middle school. And last year, they bought a new camper. And this coming camp out weekend will mark 1 year ago that they bought it. And we all went camping out together with their new camper. Where are we going?
We're going to Sequoia State Park.
We're going to, Sequoia State Park in Oklahoma. We hate that park. It is being developed almost like a resort, like fees for this, fees for that, just like crazy. But it's really nice. It does have like a resort feel for being a state park. Like the spots are really nice, full hookups. You know, it's just really super clean. And they actually do have a resort, nice restaurant and everything. You can go golfing, nice golf course, all this great stuff. So, I told David, I was like, look, we're going camping. It's been a while. I want full hookups. So that's like the best full hookup spot near where we live. Trying to make this trip easy. The thing I really hate the most is like, you go camping, you had a great time. Then it comes to the end, you got to pack and everything. You're all hitched up, ready to go. But wait, you still have to stop out at the dump station and deal with all that before you can actually go home. So I just love full hookups because I can dump my sewer, get my tanks flushing while I'm doing other things. So personally, super excited about the state park and the full hookups. So here are these shelves that I scored at Walmart to put in our pantry. They lock into each other for stacking if you want. I'm not going to do that because each one of our shelves just aren't quite tall enough for that. And I put them on that like grippy stuff, and then I'm going to put a little grippy track on top of the shelves too. This is going to be great because we're always like stacking stuff on top of other things because there's just not, like, I don't know, just huge shelves, but they're just too tall. And so yeah, this is going to be great. I've been really excited about this. Organizing things. Feels so good to organize things. Oh, you guys see these napkins. Wine calories don't count. I love those. So, yeah, little doggy treats and everything. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Oh, we've got a little Campbell's soup thing. Fold those napkins up. So, yes, go to Walmart. They were like a little more expensive than I wish they were. I feel like they were like $10 to $12 a piece. But priceless. Okay, so first of all, the furnace just kicked on. We apologize if you can hear it for a minute, but it's cold.
Yeah.
So let's talk about an upcoming video. We're going to be showing our new amazing camping accessory, toy, lifestyle accessory.
Yeah.
So was it yesterday or the day before?
I think it was the day before.
So, we're not going to give you all the info because we're going to make you come to another video and watch it. We ordered a really awesome new golf cart.
Yeah, so we actually, I think it was yesterday, we was heading home on the truck and
on the semi, because y'all know we're truck drivers.
So I wasn't driving, and I got on the phone with
well, back it up.
Oh.
We were looking to order one from Bass Pro Shop.
Yeah, we were. We was actually going to get one from
calling,
Bass Pro Shop. Trying
to locate one, and they said they've been discontinued.
Yeah, we was going to get a tracker golf cart.
So and, you're going to talk a little louder over that.
Yeah. Okay, we was going to get a tracker golf cart from Bass Pro Shop. That's what the plan was. But for some reason, they recalled and discontinued most of their golf cart models. So I don't.
Seems like all of them.
I think it was all of them. So you can no longer buy a Tracker golf cart at this time.
So I'm driving the semi down the road. We're on our way home.
Yeah.
And David just decides, well, because we're super bummed. Because we're like, crap, like the golf cart we wanted, we can't have. So David gets on his phone and starts like Googling, searching like golf cart dealers in Tulsa, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And found one that wasn't quite as tricked out.
Yeah, it didn't.
But
have
it was
like
also,
a lift kit and
but
stuff
it was also a lot cheaper.
It was about, yeah, it was a little bit cheaper. I
Oh,
wouldn't say
like,
a lot, but
that was quite a bit cheaper.
A fair amount, yeah, a fair amount.
I'd say like 20% cheaper.
Yeah, maybe 15% cheaper.
Close enough. You're gonna have to talk louder. The microphone's far away.
Yeah.
With the furnace.
Okay, cool.
So David's like, he thinks maybe about 15% cheaper. So anyways, David found a golf cart dealer in Tulsa, and we going back and forth on the phone with them, talking about what we wanted, what options we wanted to upgrade on it. We went for it, and actually tomorrow morning, before we get back out on our truck, we have to run up there and sign the final paperwork for the order.
Mm-hmm.
And we're extremely excited. It's going to be so much fun. We've kind of always rented golf carts when we go to the state parks.
Yeah.
And we bought one and had a little golf cart for a while, but took us like a week to realize it wasn't what we wanted.
Yeah, it was like an old Yamaha. We really
It was fun.
It was fun, but it was
it was a nice little 2-seater golf cart with the enclosure, the little doors and everything. But it was like like an 80s model. It did not have much power, and it was really loud and just old school, and just not, it was fun for what it was and for the time that we had it.
Yeah. But
we ended up selling it, knowing that we're going to just go find, a newer one with more power.
Yeah, and it also makes a lot of sense for us to get a golf cart, because all the campgrounds that we camp out around here, and as a matter of fact, all the campgrounds in our area, I think that they all allow a golf cart to be brought to the campground and driven around all
and they're like the state parks around here, they are expansive.
Yeah.
They're big.
Yeah,
like the state park that we're going to
Sequoia
on this next trip.
State Park, yeah.
Sequoia State Park on Fort Gibson Lake.
Yeah, it's like on a huge peninsula with like 5 or 6 different campgrounds, like primitive and like full hookups.
They're so golf cart friendly there that when you pull up to the resort for the restaurant, they have golf cart parking.
Yeah, yeah.
So anyways, we don't want to give away too much on it, because we're going to do a video all about our golf cart. It won't be ready for like another week.
Mm-hmm.
And so we probably won't pick it up for till next Monday.
Yeah, we probably won't be able to do a
video until the following weekend. So it's probably going to be 2 weeks away from now.
Yeah.
Before we can really do a video on it.
Mm-hmm.
But anyways, stay tuned, because you're going to get to see the DeCamper's new campground ride.
Yeah.
And you can come along for our first ride.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So stick around, and we'll tell you what we like about the golf cart.
Tell you all about it, and we'll give you some pointers if you're interested in buying a new golf cart.
Maybe some reasons for having a golf cart at camp that you might have not thought about.
Yeah, like one reason that we're really excited to have a golf cart, own one at camp, is sometimes we go camping where there's no sewer, and we want to be able to tow our sewer tote behind the golf cart instead of firing up a truck and driving it all over the place.
Yeah, cars and trucks are bigger vehicles. They're just a little bit more work to get into and have to back up and then put back in the side. Where a golf cart, you can just... All you do is have to step into it and turn
hit the pedal.
Key. There's no door opening or...
And they're way more fun than a car.
Yeah, they are.
Or a truck.
Get a little bit of that fresh air.
So anyways, guys, I think this is going to be it. We just wanted to touch base, and tell Vicky shout out. And it was so great seeing Vicky today
Very nice
and meeting
you,
her.
Vicky. That was awesome. Thank you so much for coming up to us.
Yeah, if you see us around, guys, totally feel free to come up and say hi.
Yeah.
We are, you know...
Yeah, we're not the kind of people who's going to be...
No, we're totally friendly.
Yeah.
Anyways, it was awesome meeting Vicky today. That was the first time meeting one of our viewers. And so, yeah, we're going to continue cleaning up our camper. And we have to have it all done before we hit the road tomorrow. So that next weekend when we come home, it's just ready to hitch and go. Mm-hmm. So we're going to get back to it and finish up our organizing and cleaning of the RV. And next time you see us, we will be camping with our friends Lindsay and James. And maybe there's a slight chance we might have the golf cart on that trip.
Depending on how early we can get back.
Yeah, if we can get home early enough on Saturday from work, then we might be able to get it. And we're thinking about asking if we can just kind of have a day off.
Yeah.
So maybe you might get to see the new golf cart on our next video.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I hope so, because we want to see
it. Yeah, we really
want
to see it. We really want to take it on this next camp trip really bad. Okay, guys. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, comment. I always respond to every comment. Mm-hmm. Instagram, Decampers OK. And you can find us on Facebook. It's Decampers, but we're not really active on that. Vicky asked us about that. And so anyways, till next time, happy camping. Stay warm.
Happy camping, guys. See y'all next time.
Bye.
Bye.